In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Figma to GitHub. This is one of those things that sounds complicated at first, but once you know where to click, it's actually very simple. If you're working with developers or tracking design changes, this can save you a lot of back and forth. So first, open the Figma file you're working on. Any project is fine. Once the file is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. In the toolbar, you'll see an Actions button. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma lets you add extra tools that connect with other platforms. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Just type GitHub. You should see the GitHub plugin appear in the results. Click on it and then install the plugin. This only takes a few seconds. Once it's installed, open the plugin. Now Figma will ask what you want to do. You can either create a new GitHub issue directly from Figma, or you can import an existing issue or pull request. Pick the option that makes sense for your workflow. After that, you'll be prompted asking for permission. Click Allow Access. This step is important because it lets Figma and GitHub talk to each other. Without this, nothing will sync properly. Next, you'll be redirected to GitHub to log in. Just sign in using your normal GitHub username and password. This is a standard security step to confirm it's really you. Once you're logged in and access is approved, that's it. Your Figma file is now connected to GitHub. You can create issues, link designs to pull requests, and make it much easier for developers to understand what's going on visually. And that's how you connect Figma to GitHub. Simple, clean, and very useful if you're working in a design-to-development workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.